The wait is over. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 is finally here with some serious upgrades. From a sleeker design to cutting-edge tech, Tesla has taken its most popular sedan to the next level. But is it really worth your money, or should you wait for something better? Let's break down everything you need to know. Starting with the exterior, Tesla has refined the Model 3's design for a more futuristic and aggressive look. The front end is sharper with all-new LED headlights, giving it a sportier appearance. The updated aero wheels aren't just for style, they improve efficiency, helping the car go even farther on a single charge. Tesla claims the new design reduces drag, which directly translates to better range. Inside, the upgrades are even more impressive. The cabin is now quieter, thanks to improved insulation, making long drives more comfortable. One of the biggest changes? No more stalks. Tesla has removed the gear and indicator stalks, replacing them with steering wheel buttons and touchscreen controls. The main display is now sharper and faster, and for the first time, rear passengers get their own screen for entertainment and climate control. Performance-wise, Tesla has fine-tuned the motors for better efficiency and speed. The long-range version now delivers up to 341 miles per charge, one of the best in its class. And for speed enthusiasts, the performance model is rumored to be making a comeback with a blistering 0 to 60 time of just 3.1 seconds. So, should you buy the 2025 Tesla Model 3? If you're looking for the latest EV tech, improved range, and a sleek new design, it's an excellent choice. But if you're not a fan of the touch-based controls, or you're waiting for even bigger innovations, you might want to hold off for the next refresh. Either way, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicles. What do you think of the new Model 3? Do you love the changes or miss the old design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Horizon for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next one.